Hey everyone, Slayer and Sneakers here. My cat's gonna type random nonsense and see how Google Translate fares. Sneakers, you know what to do. Starting it off with a C. CB. There we go. Since I'm on mobile, Sneaks can't do it himself. So I got his paws in my hand. Sneakers made, huh? Sneakers, can you attempt to at least spell something besides, huh? Let's see what it sounds like.
NBHNJJNJJ.
Why is it slow?
NBHN
Why did you spam like
GHNF VHF JH JF JJN JFN JJF VF YHH.
BF, you were so close to getting BFB, dude. Okay, all caps. Should've done it, Sneaks. Start spamming. Okay, starting it off with a V. Oh, space. No spaces, Sneaks. Oh, it's weirdly spaced. Sneakers, sneakers, sneakers. Oh. Battle for BFDI, BFDI. Why is it? How is it Arabic?
Jade.
What does it even mean? Wait, why is it lowercase?
With his side, really.
What does that even mean? Oh, sneakers, sneakers. No, Sneakers reacts to BFB1. No. Oh, I became X for a second. Sorry, boys. Speaking of X, Sneakers, try landing for the letter X. Okay, that's a G, that's a C, that's a B and F. Wait. Sneakers, sneakers. Oh. He's got his paw on the B. He missed. Sneakers! No! You can't go. We're in the middle of a video. Dude. Okay. B. There you go. You just made BFP. How is it Irish? Try going for X. Oh, you missed. Try going for X. X. You got your clone. Go for the X. Sneakers. Go for the Sneaks. Go for the X. Or should I say for the X? I'm so sorry. Go for the X. Sneaks. You missed and hit the A. And it's Spanish. You went. Ah! What? Sneakers. Oh, he's mad. He's next level mad over here, guys. X. Try hitting the X. Sneakers, stop staring into the void. Stop meowing and hit the X on the keyboard. It's right there. Right there. It's that easy. But no. Oh, my iPad turned off. Hit the X. There you go. Did you just type XD? Yep, there goes the spam. Oh, an S language nearly showed up. Irish. Why? Sneaks, try spamming random nonsense till the S language comes back. How's that English? Stop spamming G. Can you try spelling the number after 3? Don't put 2 F's. Sure. OFG. Real. I know. There's an S there. For some reason. Okay, try spelling the number after 3 now, okay? Okay. Oh, you missed. FM? No. You're missing. The O is right there. Right there. I know you want to hit it, but you gotta hit it with your paw. Oh, you hit the P and O at the same time. Hang on. No more P. Please. That doesn't make any sense. Oh. Sneakers, that's a 6. Not a U. That's what I meant to say, a U, not a O. Because that would be FOO, and that's not a real word. Or is it a real word? Comments, is it a real word, FOO? Let me know. Is it like something in Spanish or whatever, like 6, but ditch the X? Because X went to host like a show or something. You're nearly done, you just need the R. This is gonna be easy. Sneakers, stop moving your arm around. You missed. That's a D, Sneaks. Come on. Hit the R. Hit it. No, your claw does not register as a finger, Sneakers. Stop playing, Sneakers. No, he's angry. Why is it in lower cases again? Sneaks. Sneaks. No. At least hit the R. Hit the R. It's right there. Right there. Next to the E. Next to the T. This should be really easy for you. Because your name literally has an R in it. Right next to an S. The last S, not the first. Because that's SN. Sneakers, your claw is stuck to my shirt. Okay. 4. Okay, now you can go back to your nonsense. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, no, and there we go. Thanks. Thanks. No. He's going everywhere. Why are you so fast? Oh, yeah. No. There he goes. He's spamming the keyboard. Sneakers and symbol. Sneakers, did you just swear in Roblox? You had to get canceled. Remove this. Remove all that. Because we only spam in all caps. And symbols. Okay, Sneakers, can you identify where the square bracket is? Sneakers, stop clawing at my... Yeah, there it is. That's a slash. Okay. Now, shut up. Hit the square. Hit the square bracket. Oh, you hit 7. And that's how you vote in BFB, Sneaks. Now. Oh, he's spamming H's. He's spamming H's. But can he spell his own name? Sneakers. Hit the S. You missed. Sneaks. Hit the S. There you go. N. That's an H. E. That's an R. E. A. There you go. K. That's a comma. That's the space. A floating comma. And that's also a normal comma with a space bar. Okay. That's an O. Okay. Okay. E. There you go. R. S. There you go. That's your name. Okay, Sneaks. Hold. You can leave after this.
$3 at #2 VGCBFBHF Ox Die High JY Juk Gurgif DDFDFDSS Fork and 7 TFHVG GTMHVHVHG GNNTG
That made no sense. You can leave now. And this is Pillager Slayer without Sneakers signing off. Bye!